I'm Tudur. I work for Eryri National Park on peatland restoration projects. We're here on a site in Eryri where we've done some ditch blocking work. This work is done to keep the water table at a certain level so the peatland keeps in a healthy condition and storing carbon. Peat soils forms in wet conditions, anaerobic conditions, which means plants like mosses only partly decompose. This means that they lock in carbon in the soil. That's why in our projects we try and keep these peatlands in a wet condition. That's been by blocking these ditches or fixing peat tags from being with exposed peat to the atmosphere, or by controlling the grazing on these peatlands, try and control invasive plants like Molinia from overgrowing and out-competing plants like mosses that helps create these carbon stores. This is one of our projects here where we've created peat dams in the ditches. Here we've got a nice pool for forming after work. This is good habitat for wildlife obviously, and we have this sphagnum mosses starting to spread across as well. This sphagnum is one of the plants that partly decomposes and creates our carbon store within the peatland. So when we come to a site to start off with, we do some surveys. We have a look for what vegetation grows here to see what sort of health peatland is in, and we measure how deep the peat is as well. So we use these probes, and this site goes up to about 2.5 to 3 meters deep, which is quite good and quite a lot of carbon storage. On our peatland projects we work with landowners and farmers and contractors to make these projects happen.